Hi, I'm Miss Amy, and this is for my program Makerspace at Your Place. Today we'll be making mosaics. So here's an example of one that I made, and I'll show you guys what I did. But first, in your packets, you'll find a little bag of some mosaic tiles that you can use to make yours if you don't have any at home, and a board so you can put it on. All right. For this one, I started by painting the base yellow, but if you want to leave it brown, that's perfectly fine. That's what I'm going to do for this one. So what I did was start by finding the middle of the square and then working my mosaic based off of it. So I first practiced by figuring out what shape I wanted to do with my mosaic tiles. So to see what pattern, if I wanted one. So just start by placing some stuff down. And of course you can fill the whole board, or you can just do a simple design in the middle like I am right now. So once I have my design figured out like I do, I'll just make a little sun shape for this one. I slide it off carefully just to kind of keep everything in place. It's okay if it moves a little. And then I go in with some tacky glue, and I start right in the middle where I remember my design to be, or the middle piece of my design. So I was using this hexagon. And then I'll put more glue where the other pieces of my mosaic went. And of course this glue will take a little bit to dry, so you can still slide some pieces around if you don't like how it turns out. But tacky glue is the best for letting it stay on there for a long time. And this tacky glue will dry clear, so it's okay if you put a little bit too much and it comes out of the sides. But here's my design, here's what I did. I hope you guys can make something pretty too. Bye!